Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to a layout for the scrap room. We are playing with the 49 and Market collection today from the scrap room kits this month. That is 49 and Market Toddler time. So again, another collection. And the only reason I'm saying again is because I voiced this over after I did my sketch page, which was for the very St. Patrick's themed. This has a lot of things themed in it that I probably wouldn't use. I have a toddler, but like some of the things I wouldn't use. I'm not someone who just throws on baby animals because you're doing a picture of a baby. I'm not that kind of person. I don't know why. I have to have animals. I'm like more of a literal, like I have to have animals in the picture to do animals, usually. I'll throw a bird on sometimes, but only if like you're outside. I don't know. I guess maybe my mood changes depending on what it is and what I feel like making happen. But yeah. Um, so really, I have no rules, but also it's my page. I'll do what I want. I don't have to have rules if I don't want to. But anywho, I'm using, I think this is prize ribbon. I can't see it on my tiny screen. Maybe you guys can see it better. Using some ink to ink up just the outside edge of the background paper that I'm using. I'm using this gorgeous paper. The great thing about 49 Market is, embellishments aside, and even a lot of their embellishments are great. If they have very themey one side, their B-sides are amazing. And actually that's most collections. The Echo Park collection is the same way. Very themey one side, B-sides amazing and not themed, like very more neutral themed where you could use them to whatever you want. Because I today am documenting chicken leg ice cream. I don't know if you guys have seen these on TikTok and Instagram, but they're ice cream treats that literally look like fried chicken. And OMG, they're good. I was trying to find where I could buy them when I originally saw them, I think a while ago. And then my sister brought them up again, and it was my birthday coming up. And I was like, you know what? Who deserves these for their birthday? I do. So I ordered them. I found a coupon because they're kind of ridiculous for an ice cream treat, but I did find a coupon. So I spent significantly less than what they are listed for. And I'm glad I did because they were super, super good. And I really am determined that someday I will recreate these myself because I think they're very doable. And I think I can make them maybe even a little bit better. Shh, don't tell anybody. But we ordered them from Gold Belly. If you guys have ever ordered from Gold Belly, there's a lot of award-winning chefs and a small chic and very niche food vendors and other kind of vendors on Gold Belly that you can order from around the country. And so, it was some chef in South Carolina, I think is where it was. But yeah, super, super good. So I'm using this really pretty paper. Back to what I'm doing, but that's what I'm documenting. And I've been using a lot of wood veneer because it's been sitting on my desk staring at me and it looked really pretty with a lot of the collections. And I really like the way wood veneer pops on some even bold collections that don't look like they would have wood veneer. And I think the contrast is what I really like. But this 49 Market always has kind of a vintagey feel. And so I thought wood veneer would be perfect. And I happen to have this one that says, "Oh, so magical," because that is definitely how I would describe eating fried chicken ice cream. Because it's not really fried chicken, but literally it came in a bucket. It looked like fried chicken, if you can see the photos. Anywho, so I'm using this pretty background, and I really wanted to layer up all the colors and bring out all the colors in this paper. So all the B-sides and everything. So I did gut the middle of this to mat my photos on. I matted them on white cardstock first. I matted the whole layout on white cardstock, and that's why I was inking up just the edges, just to make them pop a little bit and bring a little blue to the edge, since I wanted some of that blue matted on my photo. So I did that. I really liked the orange paper, matted on that as well, and then a tiny bit of the green, which was on the B side of this, because they were also pretty papers. I didn't want to lose them. But yeah. So yeah, lots of fun with that. So yeah, "Oh So Magical" is my title, and then I had some hearts. I should have kind of scattered them because there's really no wood veneer down the right, and that still is bothering me. I might add something later, but I love their 49 Market die cuts. So I used the embellishment add-ons here because I don't remember what we all got. with the kit, but I think it was a few piece dies and the label. I think we got that tab. Well, I did at least. So then I used some of the floral dies just to add a little bit more. I just dated it. It's like the first thing I've documented for this year. I should start documenting more on time and then grabbing things from the past, but I am so behind with the past that it just feels daunting. But yeah, so just kind of layering up. I did use that one branding strip as well because I thought it was really pretty, the dark blue with the yellow, just to bring more of the yellow flowers in. So I've got a bunch of things going here, but lots of just layers and trying to layer up. And then I don't think I did add some enamel dots as well. I think there were enamel shapes that came in one of the kits. I think it was actually the Shots of Life kit. So I used a little bit of everything. But I really like the way this page turned out, and I love 49 Market collections. No matter how themed they are, usually I can use them because, yeah, they're just pretty. So thank you. That was a lot of rambling. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out all the links down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.